अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मुजाहिद फ्रॉम नवीद गेम। आज हमारे साथ अवेलेबल है टॉप 20 गेम्स ऑफ PS5। In this video I'm going to show you top 20 game of PS5 since PS5 was launched, so do comment that which is your favorite game। So start करते हैं। So ये रहा हमारी GTA 5 remaster for PS5। Grand Theft Auto 5 is a 2013 action-adventure game, open world, developed by Rockstar North and published by Rockstar Games. It is the seventh main entry in the Grand Theft Auto series. Release date September 17, 2013. Platform PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4. And we have EA Sports FIFA 22. FIFA 2022 is a football simulator game and published by Electronics Art. It is the 29th installment in the FIFA series and it was released worldwide on 1st October 2021 for PlayStation 5. NBA 2K23, the latest game 2K23. Its release date September 9, 2022. Platform PS5, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S. Series NBA 2K. Developer Visual Concepts. Publisher 2K Games. Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimate. It's fighting action adventure game. Release date April 22, 2019. Publisher Warner Bros. Alan Wake Remaster for PS5, rated जो है 16+. Return to the mysterious town of Brightfall in this remaster of award-winning cinematic action game and horror game. Deathloop for PS5, rated जो है 18+. Deathloop is a first-person shooting game published by Bethesda Softworks. The game was released on September 14, 2021. Demon Souls, rated जो है 18+ for PS5. Demon Souls is an action RPG game developed by Blue Point Games and published by Sony itself. It's an exclusive game of Sony. Release date November 12, 2020. Developer Blue Point Games and platform PlayStation 5. Rainbow Six X Extraction Tom Clancy की rated जो है 16+ और Ubisoft। Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Extraction is an online multiplayer tactical shooter video game developed by Ubisoft and published by Ubisoft. Release date January 2022. Developer Ubisoft. Battlefield 2042, rated जो है
Battlefield
16+,
2042 is a
Electronic
first-person
Arts।
shooter developed by DICE and published by Electronic Arts. Release date November 12, 2021. Platform PS5, Series X, PS4. Electronic Arts.
Resident Evil Village, so ये Resident Evil की Part 8, Resident Evil Village for PS5।
Evil Village is a survivor horror game developed and
Capcom
published
की
by Capcom. It's a sequel to Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. Date May 2, 2021. Platform PlayStation 4, PS5, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S. Developer Capcom. Single player video game.
Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Ubisoft की rated जो है 18+ for PS5।
Assassin's Creed Valhalla is an action-adventure fighting game developed and published by Ubisoft. Date November 10, 2020.
Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales, rated जो है 16+.
Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales is an action-adventure game published by Sony itself. It's an exclusive game. Release date November 12, 2020. Platform PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 and Microsoft Windows.
Uncharted The Legacy of Thieves Collection, so ये है हमारी Uncharted Remaster। इसमें 2 games available है, Uncharted 4 The Thieves End and also The Lost Legacy।
Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection. It's an action-adventure shooter game and published by Sony itself. It's an exclusive game of Sony. Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collection for PS5. Sniper Elite 5 for PS5, rated UH 16 plus. Elite 5 is a third-person shooter game developed and published by Rebellion Development. It May 26, 2022. Platform PS5, PS4. Sniper Elite. The next game is the Gran Turismo 7, the real driving simulator. For PS5, rated UH everyone. Turismo 7 is a 2022 racing video game developed by Polyphony Digital and published by Sony itself. It's an exclusive game of Sony. Release date March 4, 2022. Developer Polyphony Digital. Publish Lost of Us Part 1, the complete rebuilt for PS5. The Last of Us Part 1, the complete rebuild for PS5. ski rated जो है 18 प्लस नॉटी डॉग्स की गेम्स सोनी ने कंप्लीट गेम दोबारा बनाया है फॉर PS5. They have changed everything except the story. They have rebuilt The Last of Us Part 1 for PS5. Horizon The Forbidden West for PS5, rated जो है 16 plus. Our last game is Elder Ring, rated जो है 16 plus. I showed you all the top 20 games of PS5, which is my favorite. All of them are my favorite. And do comment that which is your favorite game in my top 20 games of PS5. So if you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games. Location जो है नीचे description में mention है. हमारी WhatsApp number, हमारी delivery भी available है all around Pakistan. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.